Example 2 of section 7.2, we are going to learn to interpret a box and whisker plot now. So let's start out by reading the explanation here. The box and whisker plot represents the length in seconds of the songs played by a rock band at a concert. So part A, find and interpret the range of the data. Well, we learned last section that range is simply the largest minus the smallest, or the greatest minus the least. Okay? Now, don't look at the number line, look at the box above the number line. The greatest value would be at the right end, that would be 300. The smallest value at the left end of the box in whisker plot would be 160. So this range would be 300 minus 160, and that is equal to 140. Now that is the range, so interpret it. Well, the data varies by 140 seconds. Okay, remember these numbers all stand for the lengths of rock songs in seconds. So the data varies by 140 seconds. The difference, in other words, between the greatest and least is 140 seconds. So that is question number 1. Let's try number 2, or B. Describe the distribution. Well, to describe the distribution, what they're looking for is, remember, when we draw a box and whisker plot, it's spread out into 4 equal sections, okay? 25% of the data is in each section. So 25% on this first whisker, 25% on the left side of the box, 25% in the third part of the box, and 25% in the fourth part of the box. So we could say that 25% of songs were between 160 and 220 seconds long. 50%, the middle part, the box, 50% of all the songs were between 220 and 280. And then the highest 25% of songs were from 280 to 300 seconds long. So that's our explanation of the data plot that we see here. Next, find and interpret. So find and interpret the interquartile range. So we know range is greatest minus the least. When we say interquartile range, so I'm going to call it the IQR, that's simply the greatest minus the least of the box in the box and whisker plot. So basically it's the third quartile minus the first quartile. So the third quartile can always be found on the right side of the box, the first quartile always on the left side of the box. So to find the interquartile range, we just subtract those, 280 minus 220. It's a real simple thing to do, you just need to understand what is meant by interquartile range. So that's 60 seconds. So in other words, the middle, so to interpret this, the middle 50% of songs were, or varied, I should say, varied by 60 seconds. Varied by 60 seconds. And that's it for part C. Now the last one, are the data more spread out below or above, below quartile 1 or above quartile 3? So is the data more spread out below the first quartile or above the third quartile? Well, we can see this whisker is much longer than the whisker on this end, so the data is much more spread out below quartile 1. And as an explanation, we can see that because the left whisker is much longer. And that's it. So that is how you interpret a box and whisker plot. So Got one example left in this section.